braking sideways, something like that. How to do that? Well, you have to position the weight slightly in the front, so not from there till there, but somewhat there. So the weight must be in the front. That's one thing. And then if your leg is way too inclined like that, then you cannot slide because it will cut into the ice. But when you take a quick turn, first you throw out your ankle to the back side, like so. And to do that you have to raise up the back side a little bit to slide on the front. Okay, and besides that, don't be at an angle like that, but slightly higher. So if it's down like that, it will cut into the ice, it will not go forward. But if it's slightly higher, more vertical, then it will slide easier. Just be cautious not to twist your angles outside. So use the front part, throw out your back side and slightly move it up. So from this angle to that angle, a little bit, just a tiny amount. I use both of the legs.